All right, guys, I have a question for y'all. What in the world? Oh my goodness. What in the world is this? What is this? Thumbnail. I ordered online. I thought I ordered a turnip. Come to find out, they sent me a rutabaga. I had to look it up to see. A rutabaga. Did y'all know that this was a combination between a turnip and a cabbage?
I don't even know what that means.
It's a hybrid plant. I mean, a hybrid root. It's not a plant. The plant, of course, grows on top. It's a hybrid root. And so I'm going to try to figure out what I could do with this. I was looking online, of course, on YouTube, looking at some recipes. I really wanted the turnip because I was going to try to make some turnip chips or some turnip French fries. But I'm going to see what I could do with this, because this right here, mercy, I ain't trying to drop this on my toe. Oh, and it's heavy. Oh my God, I just can't believe it. All right, so I'll keep y'all posted.
Always my defender. just as I remember.
Okay, so I'm trying to taste this. I'm not really sure of the flavor. And I have no idea what to do with it as far as cooking. A lot of people boil it like a potato. I'm trying to see if I can make some chips or fries. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm not really sure what it tastes like. It doesn't taste bad. I'm not really sure what it tastes like. Okay, guys, so what I'm doing right here is I'm trying to fry all different sizes and all different shapes because that's just the way that I cut it. Some were thinner than others. Some look like a chip. Some look like a French fry. So I'm just throwing them in here and trying to fry them and trying to see, what it's like. When I first started, my temperature of the oil wasn't hot enough. And y'all don't judge me. Listen, I'm old school. We just used this oil yesterday or the day before to fry some chicken, so the oil is still good. But yeah, I was just trying to see what was gonna happen. So I put some thin ones and some thick ones in there because I want to see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna turn out crispy? I don't think so. About to find out. These are floating, but they soft. They're almost like mushy. They sort of look like they want to blow up, bubble. Okay, y'all, so the rutabaga, like I said, is a marriage between a cabbage and a turnip. That's what I found out. They don't know when it started, but the cabbage and the turnip had a baby, and this is what happened. Probably planted some crops too close together, and the seeds intertwined and formed its own thing. That's my guess. It's very, very dense, very hard, very difficult to cut. But it's high in vitamin B. It has so many nutrients and vitamins in it that it's ridiculous. And it's sort of like a forgotten vegetable root. Back in the day, like I saw some Southern cooks chopping this up, putting it in with some bacon and cooking it like that. I saw some people making keto fries. So I made some thick pieces. And then I made some thinner pieces to try to see exactly what it could possibly be. Needs a little more salt. When I use the Himalayan sea salt, you got to be careful. It's stronger than regular salt. So let's see. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Oh, God. It's a little sweet. This is something new that I have. A new ring light. I don't think it likes me that much. But anyway, I know you're all a little crooked. Got a little glare. So, this is kind of crunchy. Ouch. I have tasted this before. It tastes a lot like a turnip. The end is crunchy. You probably have to have some fresh oil and fry them real thin to make a chip. I don't really know what to say. It's not bad at all, but the amount of work that it takes to cut it, you definitely use it for a potato. Back to the drawing board, y'all. Back to the drawing board. Okay, guys, I got some ketchup. And if you put some ketchup on it, it tastes like a soggy French fry. Like, you literally cannot tell the difference. You can barely, I'm going to say you can barely tell the difference because it just has a sweetness to it that a regular potato doesn't have. But if I can perfect the fry, the thick potato fry, not a thin fry, it's good. A very good potato substitute. I like the thick ones better. See that? A good potato substitute. All right, I'm out.
In the light, just as I remember.